Hello guys, today I'll show you how to draw this paper cut art on Infinite Painter. Just follow these simple steps with me, it will be done in no time. First of all, use pencil and draw 4 circles in equal distance. We will use this layer as guide. Now, create a new layer and drag it below the guide layer. Select this color or any color you wish. To get the exact color, just copy the hexadecimal number. Start drawing wavy lines on the guide lines. Fill the color. You can see some gaps here. To remove them, simply tap and drag. Create a new layer below this layer. Draw a circle and adjust it on the guide line. Then fill this layer too. Now, we'll add some details to this layer. Draw some random deep sea stuff like corals, rocks, seaweeds, plants, etc. Use eraser to add some details to it. It's done now. Create one more layer below this layer and repeat the process. This layer is almost done now. create a new layer below this layer, and repeat same steps for one last time. Forgive me for this image distortion. We don't need the guidelines anymore, so just hide it or delete this layer, and create a new layer in the bottom. In this layer, I'll just draw this plant here. Create the last layer below this layer, and fill it with the color of your wish. Now, let's add some sea creatures here. These are custom stamp brushes. I made a video of how to make one. I'll add the link in my description. Add them in different layers. To change the direction of the fish, use lasso tool, select the fish, tap on transform option, and then tap on flip button. Do same with the other fish. Let's add a seahorse here. Now, to add the shadow to a layer, duplicate it, and change the blend to subtract. Then select the layer, tap on transform here, move the layer a little bit to the left. Then just apply blur filter. Repeat this process to all layers. I think I forgot to add the bubbles to the first layer. To add this we have to delete its shadow layer first, then just draw random size circles all around. Now, just use this brush to add more bubbles. It's done now, just add shadow this layer again. And lower the opacity of all shadow layer. Last step is to add texture to this art. Tap on the white circle in the bottom of the layer tab, enable the texture option, and select any texture you want. It's complete now. Thanks for watching.